Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your password on CoinGecko application using your mobile device. If you ever want to change your password on CoinGecko, launch open the CoinGecko application on your mobile device, or you may also visit CoinGecko.com. After you do that, log into your account by entering your email and password. And once logged in, look for the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Inside your profile section, go ahead and select My Account at the top left. Now look for a Change Password button and tap on it. On the next page, in the first tab, enter your old or the current password for CoinGecko. After you do that, write down the new password in the new password field. Make sure that you match these criteria in your password, and finally tap on Change Password. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on CoinGecko. You'll likely receive a confirmation email from CoinGecko notifying you of the password change. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more CoinGecko tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.